Practice 2. Part 5. Question 57. How many hot bus bars are there in 3-phase lighting panels? 3 hot bus bars in 3-phase lighting panels. 3-phase lighting panels will have 3 hot bus bars. 3-phase lighting panels will have 3 hot bus bars. Question 58. Intermediate metal conduit is commonly sold in which length? 10 feet. Metal conduit is usually sold in 10-foot sticks. Metal conduit is commonly sold in 10 feet sticks. Question 59. The number of wires that a conduit can carry is governed by? The National Electrical Code sets limits for the size of conduit. The National Electrical Code determines how many wires may be carried in a conduit. The National Electrical Code determines how many wires may be carried in a conduit. Question 60. Electrical failure is caused by? Open hot wire causes electrical failure. Electrical failures are determined by open hot wires. Electrical failure is caused by? Open hot wire causes electrical failure. Question 61. Community antenna system coaxial cables shall be permitted at a height of no less than 10 feet, above swimming pools and wading pools. The height above swimming pools to antenna system coax cables is 10 feet. 10 feet above pools from antenna system coax cables. Question 62. Which of the following conductors can you install in wet locations? THWN, the W is for wet. Use THWN conductors when installing in wet locations. W is for wet. For wet locations use THWN conductors. W is for wet. Question 63. In accordance with electrical code, the smallest size grounding conductor must be no less than, number 8. Smallest grounding conductor size allowed is number 8. Electrical code says that the smallest ground wire size is number 8. Question 64. If the largest service entrance conductor is 2 or 3/0, then the smallest size grounding electrode must be number 4. For 2 or 3/0 service feeders, minimum size ground wire must be number 4. The minimum size ground conductor is number 4 if the feeders are 2 or 3/0. Question 65. The overhead service conductors from the last pole or other aerial support to and including the splices, if any, connecting to the service entrance conductors at the building or other structure is the service drop, DEF 100. The service drop is overhead conductors from the last support pole or other support or splice. A service drop is any overhead wire from the last point of aerial support or splice. Question 66. Which of the following fluorescent ballast provide the most quiet operation? Type A, ballast. Type A ballast provides the most quiet operating for fluorescent. The most quiet ballasts for fluorescent lighting is Type A. Question 66. Using the drawing, what is the required distance of A? 30 inches. Using the drawing, what is the required distance of A? 30 inches. Using the drawing, what is the required distance of A? 30 inches. Question 67. Covered conductor ampacity is greater than ATW insulated conductor of the same size. Covered conductors have greater ampacity than TW insulated conductor of same size. A covered conductor will have more ampacity than ATW insulated conductor same size. Question 68. In a highly inductive AC circuit, what device is used to correct the power factor towards unity? Capacitor. A capacitor is used in a highly inductive AC circuit to correct power factor towards unity. To correct the power factor closer to unity in a highly inductive AC circuit, use a capacitor. Question 69. A galvanometer is used to indicate current. Use a galvanometer to indicate current. Galvanometer is used to indicate current. Question 70. When ordering, which takes the most lead time? Switchgear. Switchgear takes the most lead time when ordering. Ordering switchgear takes the longest lead time when ordering.